Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, your trusted source for high-quality reproduction hardware. Today, we're diving into cabinet latches. Cabinet latches may seem like a small detail, but they play an essential role in both function and design. Whether you're restoring an antique piece or upgrading your kitchen, the right latch can enhance the look of your cabinets while keeping doors securely closed. Today, we're taking a closer look at the different types of cabinet latches and where to best use each style in your home. One of the most common types is the turn latch. This simple mechanism features a rotating knob or lever that secures the cabinet door in place. Turn latches are easy to use and are often found on vintage-style furniture, built-ins, and even some pantry doors. Another popular option is the slide bolt latch. This design includes a small sliding bar that moves into place to keep the cabinet closed. It's commonly used on rustic or farmhouse-style cabinets, adding a charming and functional touch to kitchen or storage spaces. For a more decorative approach, there's the Hoosier latch, named after the classic Hoosier cabinets of the early 20th century. These latches often feature intricate designs with a spring-loaded mechanism, making them both stylish and practical for vintage and reproduction furniture. Next, we have the magnetic catch, which relies on a magnet to keep the cabinet door closed. These latches are a great choice for modern kitchens where you want a clean, minimal look without visible hardware. They work especially well for lightweight doors and are easy to install. Another functional option is the roller catch. This latch uses a spring-loaded ball or rollers that press against a strike plate to hold the door in place. Roller catches are ideal for cabinets that don't have knobs or handles, offering a seamless and reliable closure. If you're looking for a more traditional option, consider the lever or pull latch. These latches have a small handle or lever that you lift to open the cabinet, providing a classic look that works well in period-style kitchens and furniture pieces. No matter what style you choose, cabinet latches are more than just functional. They're an important design element that can enhance the look and usability of your space. Whether you prefer a vintage turn latch or a modern touch latch, there's an option for every cabinet style. If you're looking to upgrade your cabinets with authentic, high-quality latches, check out the links in the description below for all the products featured in today's video. And be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert insights on antique and reproduction hardware. Thanks for joining us at Antique Hardware Supply, and we'll see you next time.